Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve that glossy, dewy skincare routine. I'm going to use my Shilvazo's ginseng serum. This does really work for me on days where I have a really problematic skin. I opt for this and only this. The next day, my skin is gonna be supple and it's gonna be really smooth and soft. So on days where I want to be really glowing the next day, I trust my Shilvazo serum. The next repair serum that I use here is my Estee Lauder. This is my go-to. These two products are miracle on their own, but then I want a little extra suppleness and a glow for the next day. So I'm going ahead and adding these two in my skincare because these two are really potent serums. I prefer serums on the days where I actually want it to work in my skin because moisturizer are thicker than serums, so serums are gonna get sunk into my skin and give me that glow I need. I'm giving a slight massage around my eyes and my face that it looks a little plump and gives me that beautiful, like I have been taking care of my skin the entire week and I've slept well. I look well rested. For my lip balm, I'm gonna use this Laneige new sleeping mask. Hope you'll enjoy this mini video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.